Dyna Rhys. Bêl hir at Cisse. Cooper yn trio cymryd oddi wrth y bêl. Ond Cisse. O, wel, 1-1 yn erbyn 1 yn erbyn Absalom. A bloc da gan Absalom yn diwedd I gadw'r bêl mas. O, Cisse, trwodd ar gôl. A yn disgwyl gwell wrth prif sgoriwr Hwlffordd. Shepherd. O, yn gweld Wilson mewn lle ar rasau chwith. Paniad lawr at Danny Williams. Williams. Mlaen at Watts. O'n gadael y bêl I Davies. Davies yn ergyd. A mae Cisse yna ar Hwlffordd. Mae'r bêl di cwmpo I ddwylo Absalom. O, Hwlffordd, 10 mlynedd ers nhw ennill yn fan hyn ym Mark Jenner. Nhw sy'n creu'r cyfleoedd ar hyn o bryd. Day. O, Richard, yn llithro fewn. O, 80! Mae'n gorfod cael cyffyrddiad ar honna. A Brwtsese. Gath yr ergyd yn trio manteisio ar y camgymeriad. Watts. Colli'r bêl. Ond Shepherd yn dwyni nôl, mae Cisse o flaen e. Shepherd. O'r bas, tuag at rediad Cisse. Cisse! Am ddechrau! I'r ail hanner. Cisse yn rhoi Hwlffordd ar y blaen. A'r rhediad yna gan Shepherd. A'r bas yn cael ei bwyso'n berffaith I lwybr Cisse. Cottrell ac Brwtsese sydd dros y bêl unwaith eto. Tro yma, Cottrell sy'n ei chymryd I. A Clayton Green! Wel, mae'n apelio'n gryf. Ond ni'n cadw'n mlaen chwarae. Clayton Green, Hwlffordd ddim wedi gallu cael y bêl dros y llinell. Wel, dadleuol iawn o hwnna'n edrych fel bod I mewn. Siwt yn y byd, nath I ddim I mewn. Idzi. Chwarae gêm peryglis fyna gyda Kane McLagan yn cael lawr arno fe. O, a Cottrell yn cael ail gerdyn melyn. Mae fe yn cael ei yrru-oddi ar y ca. A mae fe yn cerdded i'r stafell newid. Hwlffordd yn dwy'n y meddens nôl. Cisse yn trio'r flic at Ricky Watts. Ond Cooper yn llwyddo I ddwy'n y bêl. Ar o'r bêl I Cafona. Wel, mae'n apelio'n gryf am a ffaith bod Cafona yn cael ei dynnu lawr yn y cwrt. Mi gath e ergyd. Honno mynd i'r rhwyd ochr. A dim cic o smoti yn chwaith.
Nicky, congratulations. You're starting off phase 2 with a win. Happy with the performance?
Happy with the result. A little bit less with the performance, but yeah, I think that the game showed how much pressure it was on this game, and I'm satisfied the way how we approached and that we defend really well. And yeah, at the end we also needed a really good Idzi to keep a clean sheet again. So it's already the third time when I saw the game. So no, I'm pleased with the clean sheet, but we made it ourselves too much difficult, especially after the red card.
First 20 minutes I thought Haverfordwest were outstanding. Thought they really dictated the game. Once we got to grips with their system and animations, etc., it was a little bit more comfortable going into the end of the first half. We changed the system second half to give us more purpose in the game, and it's so difficult then because emotionally you think, well, we conceded a goal 30 seconds into the second half. Was it a system change? I don't think so. Was it poor defending? Yeah, absolutely. We've allowed somebody to drive with the ball sort of 40 yards in towards the edge of the box. But I have to say, I think the best chances of the game have fallen to us. Even when we were down to 10 men, we were the team that were looking to maybe go and get a goal to get us back in it. And again, we've had a couple of chances. So, yeah, I feel walking out here today that, you know, slightly agree we haven't got a minimum of a point.
Tough win for you out there?
Yeah, very tough win. They're always a tough team to play against Barri, so it's really good that we got the 3 points today. Obviously, they're 1 point above us at the start of the afternoon, but today obviously we got the 3 points. I think other results got in our favour, so yeah, really positive result.